Hi, I'm Azuma. Today we're making Bosco Sticks. We got some Bosco Sticks at $7 City, and I like Bosco Sticks. Papa said we can make them at home. Today I'm going to show you how.
Hi, Chef Jeff, the Rogue Chef here, and I've got Little Miss E today, and we are going to show you all how to make Bosco Sticks. It's basically a bread-wrapped mozzarella stick. So we're going to show you how to do it from homemade bread. If you don't have time to make homemade bread, you can use frozen bread dough, but I prefer to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our 4 cups of water, and then we're going to add our margarine.
Yep.
And our sugar. There you go. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put this in the microwave. We're going to heat it to about 126, and then we're going to add our eggs and our yeast. See you in a little bit.
See you in a little bit. We're going to crack some eggs. No shots. Fun fact, I like powder cake.
How was it writing at night?
Good.
Was it dark?
It was like,
Why is it your favorite ride?
Because I just love it.
We've got this out of the microwave for the first time, and Little Miss E, we're going to stir it and then take its temperature. So stir it up really good. You got to get the sugar from the bottom and the butter. You want it all mixed up. You can see it's about 130-ish. So we're good to add our eggs, and we need to whisk these eggs in really good.
I'm gonna add the yeast.
And we will let this sit for 15 minutes until it has bloomed. The yeast is just about ready. So what we're going to do is get our flour. So I've got some salt and about 4 cups of flour in here. So I want you to sift it. Just shake it.
Shake it.
With this bread, it's not necessarily so precise on this recipe. We're going to use about 8 cups of flour total, depending on the humidity. It's a little humid today. And you see how it has bloomed. You saw that fluffy goodness there, and the smell is amazing. So now,
it smells so good.
Go ahead. Roll it in.
Roll it in.
And tuck it. Roll and tuck.
Roll and tuck. Roll and tuck. Roll and tuck. Roll and tuck.
So what I'm going to do is just tuck it to kind of form a nice little ball. And we're going to put that in a greased pan. So what I want you to do, we got some butter in here, and we're just going to smear. We're going to like play in the butter.
It's kind of like
Get
playing
it all
in butter. I remember doing this
with Ma and Pa.
Yeah.
Let's get up in here.
I remember doing this part.
I do. Okay. So now what we're going to do is take and plop it. Just let it plop. We'll let it rise for approximately 45 minutes or until at least it doubles in size. Our bread has risen. So now we're going to dump it out. We're going to try here. Now so we're just going to cut off some dough. And we're going to kind of like work it, get it into kind of like an oval shape, and then we're going to flatten it. We're going to take it longwise and widthwise. All right, I'll do the first one here. Fingers on top. No pressure. Push all the way through. Roll it. Push it out.
Show me how you do that. Go ahead. You're doing great.
season the Bosco Sticks.
These have risen for about 15 minutes. So here, I'll show you how to do the first one. There's some garlic and some herbs. So so it's kind of like a garlic cheesy bread. So we're just gonna take and brush on top. You could throw some pepperoni on here on the inside along with the mozzarella stick with some tomato sauce, and you can have like a pizza
Sorry,
stick.
smelling good.
Try it for 10 minutes first.
Thanks for watching. Bye.